Hi there, thanks for stopping by my channel. My name is Amy, and here on For Real Disney Mom, we talk about all things Disney. Mostly, I like to talk about planning for your Walt Disney World vacation. But today, we're gonna talk about Run Disney, and I'm gonna show you the merchandise that we got from our Run Disney event. So I'm gonna show you some of the things that we got just for signing up for the race, some of the merchandise that we purchased that was Run Disney specific, and then just some of the other things that we bought when we were there on our trip. I'm wearing a few of the things that I'll talk about. But first I'm gonna show you what we got just for signing up for the race. I didn't actually realize this when we signed up. I don't know how I missed it, but we did get a shirt for each race that we signed up for, and we did a 2-course challenge. So we did a 10K, a half marathon. So then that was like we did the challenge. So we also got a challenge shirt. I'm gonna show you the 10K first. Let's see if I can get these in here. So this is the 10K. It was a Frozen themed 10K. And the back has sponsors listed on it. And the sleeve says Run Disney. This was our first Run Disney event, so we didn't know what to expect with shirts. I know a lot of people said that the other years and other races that these shirts have been champion brand shirts. These don't have a brand in them or listed on them at all. And the fit and style of some of them was off. So if you're gonna do a Run Disney race, when you get your shirts, when you go to the expo and you get your shirts that come with your registration, try on all of your shirts. We each tried on just one to make sure that the sizing was right. And then when we got back to our hotel, my husband's challenge shirt was odd. It was almost like a whole size bigger and it fit weird. So we took that back to exchange it. We can't exchange just one shirt. You have to exchange all 3 of them. So we had to go back and get all of his shirts and go back to the expo and switch them out. So it was kind of difficult and took up a lot of time, and kind of was an issue a little bit. But so that's my recommendation. Try on all of your shirts before you leave the expo to make sure that they fit correctly. And I had kind of posted that in a Facebook group for Wine and Dine, and some other people had kind of had the same issues, and mostly with their challenge shirts. So I'm wearing, I'll stand up here, this is the half marathon shirt. And again, it just has the same sponsors on the back and says Run Disney. And the women's shirt have just a little bit of a V-neck. And then this is our challenge shirt. I really like this because I love the 3 caballeros, which they were the on the medal for this too. I'm not wild about the fact that it's orange, but it's still cute. I do like it. And my challenge shirt fits pretty good. It is a little different fit than the other 2, but I will wear it. So that's what we got for through Run Disney for signing up for the race. Of course, the other things that we got were medals, so I'll show you those next. So this is, my ribbon is a little twisted here. So this is the 10K medal. I can't tell. Like I said, it was the Frozen themed race. Very cute. This is our half marathon medal. It's a patriotic themed medal. And this part, I don't know why. So it's like an apple pie on that side, and you spin it, there's apples on this side. I don't know, a little weird, but still really cute. I love the patriotic Mickey. So that was the half marathon medal. And then we got a challenge medal for doing 2 courses. And that is this medal. So it says, one of these says 6.2, 13.1, and 19.3 for the miles that we ran. These also, these little guys spin. Again, I don't know why. It's kind of cute, but the only thing about this medal was wearing it, but it made, even by itself, these things would kind of clang together, and it made a lot of noise. So I know a lot of people commented that they kind of just wear their half marathon medal. If I were to do these races again, I know on Etsy, I think, and some other places you can buy clips that hold your medals so that they don't bang together if you wear more than one. And I really think I would purchase one of those just because it was annoying to wear more than one. And when you go to the parks, it's kind of fun to wear them. I know the day after our races, I wore our half marathon medal because this one, like I said, just made too much noise. And I was afraid of these falling off, and I know that did happen to some people. So anyway, so those are the medals. So that was all that was included. I guess I did bring one other thing out that sort of was included. Okay, is this gear bag. You get a gear bag for checking in gear if you want to check in gear at the races, but I just brought mine home. So it's a huge, like, sling bag. I don't know if I'll use it, but I did bring it back with me. Okay, so a couple things that we purchased at the expo. Well, my husband bought this coffee mug for me, this travel mug. I love it. I'm so glad that he bought it because I would have been too cheap to buy this. But I really like it. It's so cute. And I've used it every day since we've been home. So we got that. Every time that we go to Walt Disney World, we always get a Christmas ornament to put on our tree. So for this trip, we got a Run Disney Christmas ornament. So it's just this tennis shoe that has all the characters that are the themes of the races on it. So we'll get to hang that on our tree this year. At the expo, my husband bought this hat, this Run Disney hat. And it just says, "Every mile is magic" on the back. And underneath on the brim part, it's got that. So, very cute. I like this. The other thing that he bought were these coasters. They're very cute. I do like them. Because I like all the themes for the races that we did. So, there's one for the half marathon, 2-course challenge, the 10K, and then also a 5K. We didn't do the 5K, but it came with the set. Oh, I got one more thing at the expo. Just a minute, I'll grab it. That's not true. I got 2 other things at the expo. So first I'll show you this. So this was my clothing purchase from the expo. I got this black vest. And it just says, has the Run Disney, the logo thing there. And then in the back, it has Mickey. So I really like this, it's so cute. And I needed a new black vest. So the other thing I got at the expo, I had pre-ordered. When you register for the races, there are some merchandise that you can pre-order ahead of time. It was mostly pins. I think there was a jacket, magnets, some things like that. And then I ordered this. It came in this cute little Run Disney bag. And it came in this cute box that I'm keeping because it's just so darn cute. And in the box was a magic band. It says Wine and Dine Half Marathon Weekend 2019. It's got Patriotic Mickey on it. And then the other side, it has some of the other characters from the 5K, the 10K, and the challenge. We have old magic bands. We have the skinnier ones that don't have the puck in it. And actually, this one, the puck doesn't come out of it, but that's okay, I didn't care. We have the older versions, and I wasn't quite sure if they would still work. I used mine last year and it worked. That was an excuse to buy myself a magic band, but our old ones did work. My husband used his from, I think we've had him 4 years, I think, and we've used them for a couple of trips. We'll probably just keep using those just until the battery dies. So a couple other things that we just purchased on our trip. So I'll show you one other Run Disney thing. We purchased a few of these. We came home with probably 5 or 6 of these. These are the cups that your beer comes in. So we got these at the expo. We bought a couple, and each day after our races, we each had a beer. So this is $12, this cup with beer in it, and then you can have it refilled for $7. Then a couple other things that we just bought on our trip too were, I've seen these before, I thought they were so cute, and so I bought them when we were on our trip. So they're like corn on the cob holders, and they're Mickey hands. So cute. I took them out of the package already. It's a set of 4 of these, I think, for 10 bucks. And then this is kind of a funny thing I bought. I've been needing these and kind of avoiding getting some, and these are definitely more expensive than if you just got, you know, plain Jane ones. But I was in need of some readers or cheaters, whatever you want to call them. And I found these in Disney Springs. And they were 20 bucks, but To me, they're worth it. I mean, if you have to wear cheaters, you might as well wear Mickey Mouse cheaters. I love them. So we bought a photo album. Oh, my hat. I did buy a baseball cap. I did not need one at all, but I thought this one was so cute. The last time we went, I bought a navy Mickey Mouse one that I like. I'm not crazy about it, but I really, really like this one. So I saw it a couple times and finally I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna buy that. That's most of the merchandise that we came home with from our Run Disney event. I'll be posting more videos about our first Run Disney experience, about the expo, about the post-party race for the wine and dine races, and just some other videos about our trip to Disney World. So hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can know when those are up and ready to view. Hope to see you real soon.